Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Souter Motors. J-Lap with you. Today, I have got a 2010 Crossroads Zinger. This is a park model. It is large. It is 41 feet. It has high ceilings. It has got a polar package on it, so four-season camping is definitely an option in this one. It is just a little bit under 13,800 pounds fully loaded. We're going to open it up. It's got two slides. It's got power awning. It's got a sliding door. It's got rear, bedroom, front, kitchen. Let's open it up. Let's show you the outside. Let's show you the inside. Then let's be done. Alright, Zinger is opened up. See, we got a sliding door in the front here. Polar package. Tires, great tread. Got steel wheels on there. This has 6 leveling points. 1, 2, 3, and then 3 on the other side. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Got a nice big power awning right here. So you could easily build a nice little deck right out of the front here. Sliding door, great outdoor space. Shade when you need it. Fiberglass front here where the kitchen is. We'll show you the inside shortly. Propane tanks up front. And then we got our 2 slides on this side. That's a living and dining room slide. And that's a bedroom slide. We'll show you that shortly. Got an outdoor shower right here. Water hookups, drains. And then in the back we have roof access. There's your water connections. We got roof access back here. Very well maintained RV. You got your rear entrance to the master bedroom. And that is about it for the outside. Let's take the inside. Alright, let's head inside our Zinger. Come in mid-trailer here, right into the living room, dining room, kitchen up front. We're going to start up front. First of all, notice you've got a lot of natural light. Great windows up here. Very nice to have. Plus, we've got a ton of storage. So great storage underneath, great drawer space, very deep. Got the metal runners. A nice solid countertop the whole way around, double sink. And then we've got some overhead storage as well. With the microwave, we've got a residential oven, stove, 4-burner. In this case, I'll open this up for you. Nice and clean. Got ourselves a residential fridge, freezer combination. Fridge. Space there. Freezer. Ice maker. More storage. Nice and deep storage right here. Then we've got our table, dinette, table and chairs. We've got a nice little fireplace on that side. And then we've got a pull-out top right here. We've got more overhead storage. We've got a nice fireplace. wide open. Oh, you have a ceiling fan for this guy here, and one in the bedroom.